What's up, YouTube? Finally getting a chance to do a little bit of work over at the neighbor's house. It's been a rough week. Every time I try to get over here to do something, something would come up. Let's see if this is the right kit. I don't think so. I think this is the wrong one. Good thing I've got two kits, or unfortunately I've got two kits. So I need to mark them to make sure I know which one is which. Nice little Echo kit here. And that's it right there. This is the neighbor's chainsaw, and I hit nails with it while clearing some stuff for them. I just needed a small chainsaw to be able to get some of the smaller stuff because my big saw is on the mill right now. But yeah, I hit some nails. Didn't do it any good. Was not a good thing. Alright, let's see. Just do a quick. They don't really look bad. May not be it. That's what I said. Too many kits. Too many things going on. Let's see. Yep, that's it. Had the wrong one. Dang it. Dagnabbit. Definitely going to have to mark this. Alright, try this again. I ain't got anything to put it up against. I want to put it up against my chainsaw. There we go, got some wood. Shoot, I'm going to have to use a holder. This is not my day. Sure this is the right one? I have no idea anymore. That looks just too small. This one, there we go. I hate these things. Okay, that's where I started from. Now to go the other way. See, I'm going to do this. Alright, where's my One more to go. Get that gullet. That should be it. Get rid of that safety chain as soon as I can. Now let's see if this thing will start. It should have gas in it. Oh, yep, it's got gas in it. And it's got oil in it. I'd rather run it out of gas than put gas in it that's not going to get used. All right. Let's see if it'll start. In the on position. Wants to go.